Take a look. Your piece of paradise to escape the winter. Beautifully updated kitchen that is fully appointed for you. Big, open floor plan to enjoy everybody no matter where they are. Enjoy the pool, sit at the water's edge dockside, fish off the dock or grill outside. The generous owners have also provided during your stay, beach chairs, pool toys, bicycles and coolers for all those sunny days outdoors. There is a welcoming sitting room, oversized laundry room with washer and dryer and a screened-in lanai for relaxing with a nice drink. Don't wait. Time is flying.